Good morning, John.
Good morning, Ria. How are you today?
I am good. What about you?
I am doing well. You look very happy today.
Yes, because I slept early last night.
That's great. Good sleep makes us feel fresh.
Exactly. And today the weather is also nice.
Yes, it feels calm and peaceful.
So, what are your plans for today?
I don't have any special plans.
Same here. Let's spend the day together.
That sounds perfect. Let's have some tea.
Good idea. I also feel a little tired.
Bhaiya, 2 cups of tea, please.
And some snacks, too.
Ria, do you like tea or coffee?
I like coffee more, but tea is fine.
I prefer tea. It relaxes me.
Yes, tea with a friend feels special.
True friendship makes simple moments beautiful.
I feel lucky to have you as my best friend.
Same here. You always support me.
That's what friends are for. Let's go shopping today.
Nice idea. I need new clothes.
Me too. I want to buy a dress.
Let's go to the mall.
Yes, we can enjoy there.
And we can eat something delicious.
Now I am excited. Wow, the mall looks so beautiful. Yes, and very crowded.
Let's go to the clothing store.
Okay, I like this dress.
It looks perfect for you.
Really? I will try it.
You look amazing.
Thank you. I will buy this.
I will buy this blue shirt.
Blue suits you very well.
Thanks.
I am very hungry.
Same here. Let's eat.
What should we order?
Burger and juice?
Perfect.
This place is very busy.
Yes, everyone is enjoying.
Food tastes better when we are hungry.
And with good company.
True.
Let's go to the park. Yes, I need fresh air.
This place is so calm.
Nature always relaxes me.
Life becomes busy sometimes.
Yes, we forget to enjoy small moments.
Talking with you makes me happy.
Same here. Arjun, what is your dream?
I want to become successful.
What does success mean to you?
A good career and a happy life?
That's nice.
What about your dream?
I want to be independent.
That's a strong goal.
Yes, I want to support my family.
I believe you can do it.
Thank you for believing in me.
Always.
The sunset looks beautiful.
Yes, the sky is glowing.
Days like this feel special.
Yes, simple things give happiness.
We should enjoy life more.
And stay positive.
And stay connected.
Always.
Today was a wonderful day. Yes, I enjoyed a lot.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you too.
Let's meet again soon.
Sure.
Take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Practice English daily with your best friend. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Keep learning, keep growing.